So what you talking about? What you talking about? All that bullshit you pop. I'm catching bodies in my sleep, killing niggas, call the police. 100 bottles all on me. That shit so
Gonna chop this shit up like it be karate. You gon' come chill in the back room while we chillin' with these hotties. I heard you found a noodle, and this lame ass do Pilates. We killin' all these rappers cause they washed up like tsunami. We going hard on that tour bus. Yeah, I know that I said we did it. Hammer team up on this bitch. When I said the shit, you should I know I'm in it. Back up on my flow, or we stayin' on my grind. I ain't playin' with these lame hoes cause these hoes ain't worth my time. I've been in this shit for a minute, and I'm going hard when I spittin'. And I got your girl in my mentions. We ballin' hard, no extensions. If y'all fuck with me, then y'all fuck with fam. Ready to rock on that tour van. Fuck with time, I'm making plans. And your girl here, she at a damn. Yo, this is the shit that I write. Keeping that pussy too tight. Booking them shows in the flight. Taking this shit to new heights. Ha! I send my girls out of your league. You can't compete. So wait to the fucking album. Now you copy, capiche?
So what you talking about? What you talking about? All that bullshit you pop. I'm catching bodies in my sleep, killing niggas, call the police. 100 bottles all on me. That shit so weak, so weak. Talk shit about me, then speak. That shit so weak. And we done spent your mortgage on weed. I'm catching bodies in my sleep. Killing niggas, call the police. You swear you ballin' out in these streets. That shit so weak.
Yo. Passion never got it. Green never swish it. Got the green inside the wallet. Yeah, eyes closed for demolish. Someone call a priest because the kid is got demonic. Yeah, just listen to me. I'm about to be the rapper everybody believes. Believe it when I say it, cause I never went in harder. Jeffrey Dahmer ate the lyrics like the kid just tore your heart up. Yeah, never going prima donna. I wanna hit the beat and make it bigger, make it smarter. Yeah, with a skip through A, B. Tried a couple names and now we're on to plan Z. Finalist finale while we rally with the skaters. We use all the hate with motivation to the haters. Yeah, but I'll catch you, see you later. You say you do it bigger, but we're about to do it greater. Yeah, eyes low cause I'm sleepy. Believe me when I'm saying I'm just a rapper and I'm needy. Hit it from the bottom to the top inside the TV. Easy when you see me cause I know you wanna be me. Yeah, it's the fire that I'm spitting. The keys to the ignition and the pans inside the kitchen. The lyrics that are written are the reasons that I'm tripping and I'm falling over hopeless with the fact I'll never get it. Yeah, but I'll do it for the profit. Never stop until the death, until the day that I got it. Yeah, got the winners like I'm Charlie Sheen. Maybe I'm just born with it, maybe it's just Maybelline. Yeah, this is makeup in the future. We cover up your rapping cause your rapping leaves you humor. Yeah, you're a lame bloomer. I feed it to the public, I'm a chef to the consumer.
So what you talking about? What you talking about? All that bullshit you pop. I'm catching bodies in my sleep, killing niggas, call the police. 100 bottles all on me. That shit so weak, so weak. Talk shit about me, then speak. That shit so weak and weak. We done spent your mortgage on weed. I'm catching bodies in my sleep,
here, man.
killing niggas, call the police. You
Busy.
say you ballin' out in these streets.
Yeah.
That shit so weak.
Lame rappers need to stop talking to me. All the money in my face need to keep walking to me. Walking to a club, I shut it down and they be flocking to me like a fucking belly. And they stocking me, locking me up in a heart, locking me up in a car. With that bass up and my song on, everybody going hard. Fly young man, but I put on. For the whole team, I go strong. Don't have a guest, put me on. I'll kill it, it'll even be a theme song. They get beating me, man, dream on. But the way things are, I'll be on. Like G-Eazy, I've been on. I rhyme and that's why I've been gone. Let's take a moment to kill it. A dynasty we building. We making all these fire songs and we know that you feel it. Just some high class dreams with a low class life. It ain't what it seems, so it'll be alright. All my homies with me all night, just spitting flows till we can't see the light. Yeah, let's take it down. Give me a beat and I'll break it down. Forget being Prince, give me the crown. I'll take it off and I'll throw it out, cause there ain't no kings of rap. Maybe just some idols and I'll go off in the studio like I had 4 loaded rifles vibe.
So what you talking about? What you talking about? All that bullshit you pop. I'm catching bodies in my sleep, killing niggas, call the police. 100 bottles all on me. That shit so weak, so weak. Talk shit about me, then speak. That shit so weak and weak. We done spent your mortgage on weed. I'm catching bodies in my sleep, killing niggas, call the police. You swear you ballin' out